Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Instagram has just introduced a new feature that lets you link reels together, perfect for creating series and helping viewers easily watch the next part. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to link reels on Instagram step by step. Let's get started. First, make sure your Instagram app is updated to the latest version. Now, open Instagram and go to the reel where you want the link to appear. If you're creating a series, start with the first reel. Next, tap on the three dots on your reel. From the menu, select Link a Reel. Now choose the reel you want to connect. For example, if this is part 1, select part 2 of your series. After that, you'll need to add a short title for your link. This is what viewers will see as a button, like Watch Part 2 or something related to your content. Keep in mind, you only have 15 characters, so make it short and clear. Once you've added the title, tap OK. That's it. Your linked reel will now appear at the bottom of your video, making it easy for viewers to continue watching your content. You can repeat the same steps to link more reels in your series. And that's how you link reels together on Instagram. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more simple and useful Instagram tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.